In groove cutting, the real challenge is not the angle itself. It's whether that angle can stay accurate at speed without vibration, correction, or rework. That's where precision machining truly begins. One cut. Perfect plush al 45 crooked groove. No swing, no correction, zero swing groove technology keeps the cutting head stable throughout the entire process, even during high-speed operation. The 45-degree groove angle can be adjusted, allowing tighter welds and stronger joint connections. G240K is designed for efficient 3D groove cutting across a wide range of small and medium-sized pipes, without frequent changeover or complex setup. This capability makes it especially suitable for hardware furniture, bathroom products, and other precision metal components where weld appearance and strength both matter. High speed and high efficiency are matched with real precision. Cutting accuracy reaches plus 0.1 meter and remains consistent even during continuous production. When groove preparation directly affects welding quality, stability, and repeatability matter as much as speed. G240K delivers controlled, accurate, and production-ready groove cutting.